last one.
That's again.
But that do some
Say them fool. Watch out.
Hey, my love.
She just let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know that it's that girl Nia, and I'm back again with another video because I promised y'all I will post back to the back for the rest of 2026. Okay, so today is Sunday, June the 14th, and yeah, I'm starting the next vlog, next entry. Welcome to entry number 3. Okay, so guys, oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, we reached 2,000 subscribers. Hello to the O. I'm at 2,000 subscribers. Guys, you know how much is 2,000 people? Do you all know how much is 2,000 people? Like 2,000 subscribers, guys. Reach 2,000 subscribers, guys. My love and appreciate all. You know, I love you all so much. Kisses. Then those who are new here and those who are new subscribers, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and join the Gems family. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at It's That Girl Nia. This name on all platforms: Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Okay, so yeah, make sure y'all follow me up on those platforms as well. And yeah, I'm gonna start vlog. I don't know what you stay for the vlog here, but I think I'm gonna do a limited amount of things. Today is Sunday. Me gonna wash my ear. Me need to pull up my ear, wash my ear. Yeah, come here and wash for like 1 month now, and that's crazy. Like that's so crazy. Okay, so me go wash my ear. Me just put on 3 egg, and guys, we start workout and the things them. So me have to eat up the proteins and and add some pear and something and the things them. Yeah, me go show you what I'm gonna be make it and things them. So yeah, me go eat egg and that and pear and things them. I'm gonna make a turmeric shots, guys. Go check out the button in my face. Them may not cut it, so them have to go. Okay? Yeah. So that's pretty much it what I have to do today. Yeah. And I'll catch you back in the next clip. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Tell a friend, say big things are gonna rest. And guys, comment down below. And guys, don't just watch the video, like the video. Thank you. So guys, this me I got eat right now. I'm gonna say look nasty and disgusting, but it tastes fabulous and for try it. So I'm assuming I gotta tell you when I'm putting it. So I can eat it with some brown bread and some guava juice. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna come here. I go wash it right now. Oh, but tell you what in the food I'm gonna eat all ago. But they put pear, she must have some mango, pear, egg, black pepper, yeah, and that's it, yeah, and some tea pepper. And if you know why, you can add some pepper and onion and mix it up. It tastes fabulous. But that's not time for that, so I'm just do it. So yeah. Let's go washing my hair now. So guys, I'm just gonna wash my ear and beard and things then. Yeah, we washing and going. I do. I'm gonna put up and thing and then get back to one time. Me and make my turmeric shot. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna say I'm gonna need to get rid of them pay. I have graduation next week. I'm gonna have to makeup. I'm surprised. But if it's that, it's just that. What am I gonna do? So guys, welcome to the next clip. So right now, I'm gonna make some turmeric shots. See, as I did tell earlier, I'm gonna make some turmeric shots. I'm gonna carry along with me. Yeah, guys, I'm just find a little piece of ginger. But what matter have more ginger and that alone because I make a use. So yeah, let's go to make some turmeric shots to get off these bumps off my face. Hello. So guys, they made turmeric come off. Them start grow up and cause a long time I did root them and thing and I never get to use out all of them. So I'm gonna use them now. So I go cut off. So guys, I want my kid look like ginger. It smell like what the hell? Wait there. So guys, my mother direct me the right path. I think I did. I thought I just be a ginger, but I think I turmeric done a ginger. So that's crazy, right? So I got my find the turmeric them now, so I cut up right now. So still here now guys. I'm a fool too, I should have known. Anyways, so I go cut off them. So yeah. Yes, still here now. Cut off the routines we are grouping. Guys, and as you can see, the turmeric mess up as well. So, okay, banana, lime or nothing. Now use tangerine, which is crazy, right? I know where it's go. But I go wash it off. I go put it in the skin, it as well. So guys, see here. It look nice though. Look like I'm gonna drink it, don't it? Yeah. Well, we know what all the things there. It smells real good. Yeah. Yeah. Clack it. Clap that thing. So, start the turmeric. Now take a shot and see it is. Guys, so look up here. Guys, it look runny to me. Last time I make it never looks runny. Probably don't add too much water, but here it is. Cheers. That one tastes worse than the last one. Right? No man. Oof. This time never tasted. The last one make the taste good. Anyways, yeah. Shots. I'm gonna cook some food right now. But I'm fire. I'm hungry. Where's? So guys, I'm at school. Yeah, I'm just search back to because I did do something. So I'm never know. Watch out. Hey, my fling that in my face. Watch out.
That again.
I did do something.
Say them fool. Watch out.
Hey, my fling that in my face. Watch out. Yeah, man, them fool.
Our teaching boring as hell.
I've never seen Malaka. Watch out.
Yeah, man. Dash it up again.
Watch out, step on into. The kings of kings.
King of kings! You serve a schizophrenic God? You have a multi-God? We mean by kings of kings. King of kings.
Next song. Alright, hey guys, it's Friday, June 19. Me I got town right now. I have to go buy some things. I have band rehearsal, I have choir rehearsal, I have graduation rehearsal. Like, 3 rehearsal one time, like in a one day, but I will survive. Okay, so yeah, catch y'all. So guys, I just reach through all my things them, and yeah guys, I never get back to them because I get back to them, no I didn't. Because I did a whole things, I did end up go town and the things them go by here and what yada. And we did also go school. It was a full busy day, like a lot of first and something. So I come unbox and I got in town today. I got unbox. So I get some Fiona crochet black spread. Some I get 2 pack of that. Yeah, 18-inch. Yeah, 18-inch. And I get spring, twist up spring twist, right? 2 pack as well. No matter wonder why I get so much braid, guys. I don't plan to open it, you know, tell the truth. And yeah, so I don't know if I gonna do the locks or I gonna do the spring. Probably some regular twists because the locks is so long and it probably inappropriate for the graduation. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Either I cut the locks or I'm just do the spring twist. I really actually not even cut the locks, so I'm gonna likely probably gonna do the spring twist. So never really buy nothing much. I just like here alone the cartoon to buy. Tell the truth. So I'm gonna get this, the soft touch here. The red one, it smells. Whenever it smelled before, but I can say it smells. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. Like, ooh, so I'm gonna eat it. It smells so fabulous, right? Smells really good, and this I'm gonna do my ear. My boss after the body, so I still did buy one so after in case, you know, and buy this not really smell. I buy Fashion Plus because my Fashion Plus done. I bought that number 5. Can't eat alone with my ear really and truly. Yeah, so that's I will buy today. Yeah, that's what I bought today, guys. So I have two shoes for sure. I got from my Cooper. So guys, I got unbox some shoes I'm getting from my best friend for my birthday. Okay, so I got 2 shoes. Late birthday gifts or I don't know what to call them. I got 2 shoes. So shoes number 1, they're really pretty, but I'm gonna show you. I'm unboxing for you. This is number 1, like really cute and girly. Like yeah, they are so cute, like real cute, and it fit like perfect, like literally. All of them cute and nice. Yeah, you can go up another to, you know, go to the church and the things there. And then I get this now. Cute. These are so cute, like guys, I can't tell them are cute, like so cute. Like yeah. I'm probably say my foot small, but my foot is actually small. This is our size 35. So see it here. So cute. Hey guys, so I love my best friend so bad. Like the shoes are just nice and the things then. Yeah, I got those, and that's at the end of the unboxing. That's the only unboxing. My guys, more asleep. By the time it was sold, so I look so tired. More asleep. Just I was sure. Me don't try watch the Brazil match display while I go, and it never download. So that you just put my vibes. Anyways, but seeing man itself either way because I one Brazil panda have although. So guys, yeah guys, I'm at that Tuesday. I'm proud of that Tuesday. But I said I think it's cute. It's just cute and nice. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it at the first guys and my also didn't want cook me because Madam Nature she feel like she wanna just appear. And that's why I hope my face all looks so disgusting and bump up. And guys, I can't believe say the turmeric something I did leave it out of the fridge and it spoiled. I'm gonna make over it. Alright, wait guys. Alright, so I try the juice. Guys, I don't know, this tastes good at all. I don't know. The jelly them just did it with the juice have a flavor. I don't know, it have a little type of flavor. But I feel like it's good. So guys, I know what I'm to juice. It have a Gatorade taste. It not have just already. All the thing that is a carbohydrate so and sodium. Nothing else. No vitamin. It just plain like hello. Anyways, guys. So guys, let's get into the comments shout out. Okay. So first comment shout out goes to Ashoy-K9P1Y, and she says, "Keep shining. Your content never disappoints." Girl, thank you for your encouraging words, and this is what encourages me to keep pushing and keep making videos for you all. Like, I really love you guys. Like, I'm not even understand how much I love you. This is actually what pushes me to make videos for y'all, and I love say like y'all love enjoy my content and actually sit and watch me. Like, I really love that, and I love and appreciate all of you guys. Like, no jokes about that. Everybody will sit down and watch me and like my video, take time out to watch and like my video. One big kiss. I love you all. Okay, so and I'll keep content coming back to the back for the rest of 2026. Okay, my day I wouldn't right. So next comment shout out go to Journal with Journey, and she says, "What's one piece of advice you'd give to the lower class men 7, 8, and 9?" And for those who don't know what she means by that, she means like grade wise, high school 7 and 8 and 9 grades, right? I would like to think that's what she's talking about, and not lower class as in down there. So the advice I would give is always to believe in yourselves, believe in yourself, and remember that everything is possible once you put your mind to it. Nothing is impossible under the sun, literally. I don't think, like, me have a mindset saying nothing impossible. Once you want it and once you're going for it to achieve something, you will achieve it. Trust me, you guys will achieve it. Like, I will achieve it. Okay, so nobody doubt yourself and no waste no time. Like, don't waste your time in school. Be positive. Alright, that's my advice to the lower school males and every other male. Just believe in yourself. Do what you know for do. If you don't believe in yourself, there's no one is going to believe in yourself for you. Follow your dreams because everything is able for you to achieve. You can achieve anything if you put your mind to it. Okay, yeah. Guys, me literally doing up like Mother Nature, like she missing me right now. But yeah, and that's the end of the comment shout out, guys. I'm going to end the video now. I'll leave you out with this quote. Do everything that you want to do. Okay? If you don't try, if you don't take risk, you'll be doing the same thing over and over. So take risk and always remember to pray. Doing anything at all, always remember to put God in the center of everything. All right. So I'm going to end of the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also comment, because as you can see, I do comment, shout out, I reply to y'all. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at It's That Girl Nia on all platforms. Instagram and TikTok, make sure you follow me because I post on those apps also. Yes, so make sure you subscribe over here. So follow me on my channels, WhatsApp and Instagram. Join my channels. Yes, so this is the end of entry number 3. Yes, entry number 3. Okay, guys, remember my promise, video come back to back for the rest of 2026. I love y'all. Bye.